Oh my god! Oh my god! Mom! Mom!
What?
There's someone in the house! There's someone in the house! Come here!
What's going on?
Mom!
Jesus Christ, what's going on?
There's someone in the house!
What's going on?
There's someone in the
Jesus Christ, Eric, I'm trying to fucking sleep.
Go in the bathroom. There's someone in the bathroom, Mom.
What's in the bathroom?
There's someone in the bathroom.
Eric, what the hell?
Mom, come here.
Eric, you've been making enough fucking noise around here. I'm getting really pissed off.
I'm serious.
What is in the damn bathroom?
He's making noise. Mom. Go in there.
Stop it! I know Dylan's in there.
He's not in there, Mom.
Eric, God damn it, you're gonna wake up your brother.
Mom.
Shh! Eric? Stop it.
I'm serious, Mom.
Stop it. What the hell are you talking about?
It's right there, Mom. I'm not joking, anybody.
Dylan, shut up!
No, it's not.
Oh, I'm fucking sleeping. I said shut up.
Come in here, Mom.
No, I'm not coming in there. You're being stupid.
I'm not being stupid.
What
There's
else
someone
here?
in here. Mom, he's coming out. He's coming out.
It's Dylan.
No, he's not.
That's it, Eric. You're not having anybody over again.